Very good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to explain you one more concept related to the friction and which is also related to the JE and NEET and the MSET. And coming to the point is there is a concept is motion of a block which is placed on the rough horizontal surface. I told you very clear in the previous classes. Actually there is no smooth surfaces, right? It is an ideal assumption. Okay, see, now coming to the point is if a block of mass m which is placed on the rough horizontal surface, consider a block of mass m which is placed on the rough horizontal surface. Once look at on the board, see, I'll draw the diagram. See, there is a one rough surface here. Above the rough surface the block of mass is m which is placed like this, so that there is a weight of the body mg is acting down. Of course we know there will be a normal is acting up. This is we know. Now coming to the point is if there is a applied force is 0. First case here I want to tell you, first case, if applied force is 0, actually we can say there will be an applied force, like you say F. If applied force is 0, very simple, if the block is actually at rest, because we are not at all applying the force, so that the simultaneously frictional force also 0 we can say, because which is at rest. This is the first case. Now I want to say one more. If applied force is, right, that is we can say F applied which is less than F maximum. Yes, here F maximum you write as F maximum, that is frictional force is which is acting, because applied is it is in the direction, like in the direction, then there will be a frictional force is acting. Fs is to be in the opposite to the applied force, right? Say, look at here in the diagram, this is given as to be like this, right? So that when applied is less than Fs or it is F maximum, then in this case what happens, this applied force is balanced by the static frictional force, that is F applied, which is balanced by static, we can also write as Fs maximum. To write as Fs maximum here, that is static friction, because of block is does not move here. This is here it is the block is at rest, or we can say does not move, because applied less than static. When applied less than static, therefore the block does not move on the rough horizontal given surface. This is the case number 2. Let I want to tell you, in this case number 2 only we have another one. See that here it is when it is balances, right? That is the case is F applied is balanced by the Fs maximum. Nothing but a what here? Now the block is which is ready to move on the rough horizontal surface. Now the block is ready to move. When it is ready to move in the senses, then there will be a limiting frictional force is introduced, because it is a limit. Applied balanced by the Fs is nothing but a, that we can say limiting or a limiting it is, so that we can also write as here it is Fs maximum is equal to Fl, because it is a limit now. It is balanced in the sense is what we can say limit it is. After this the body is said to be in motion. Now it is just balanced. Now it is we can also call limiting frictional force, so that here we can write as mu s into n, of course, because which is balanced by the static frictional force is balanced by the limiting friction, or it is F applied is balanced by the Fs, so that here we can write as F limiting is equal to mu s into n. Here n we know it is balanced by the mg, so here we can write as it is equal to Fl is equal to mu s into mg, of course. This is we can write as like this. This is related to the limiting frictional force. This is we can call case number 3, or we can also write as capital F is equal to, yes, of course, capital F is equal to, because it is applied, no? Yes, we can write as it is Fs maximum is equal to Fl is equal to mu s mg, we can. This is when it is balanced. Now I want to tell you one more case in this, in regarding this. Say suppose here it is, if the applied force is continues to act, if the applied force is here it is applied force is continues to be act, there is a time is greater than 0, that means the block is moving, continues to be applied, no, then we can say there is a continuous move and then the body gets in a motion. Therefore, the static is to be converted. Fs is to be converted as kinematic Fk because applied is continuous to be act. Now, this one is what happens, it is static is to be converted as Fk. Now here we need to find an acceleration because the body is accelerating now, because the static has to be converted as kinematic because the block is said to be in motion. Therefore, it is to be converted. Now in this we need to write a resultant force because the block is moving in the direction. No? Then we can write as like this. Here Fr is equal to F net minus, that is here the frictional force. The frictional force is what here? We can say it is Fk because the kinematic frictional force is acting. Here Ma is equal to, it is F net minus Fk we can. What is F net? Of course, we can write as Fl, that is applied. So Ma is equal to, we can write as capital, you can write as capital F or Fl minus Fk we can, or else Fs also because it is balanced, no? So that here we can write as from this. Here A is equal to Fl minus Fk by M we can. This is the acceleration of the block. Now look at here. A is equal to Fl minus Fk by M. But we know Fl we can write as Fs, that is equal to mu s into, we can write as mg, right? And here also you write Fk, this is Fl, right? It is equal to mu k into mg we can. Now this both substitute here, we'll get the acceleration is equal to, that is we can write as mu s mg minus mu k mg by it is m. Then you take a common is mu k and mg is common by m. So mm cancel. Therefore A is equal to mu s minus mu k into g. This is the acceleration between static and kinematical friction force. Now, I want to tell you again, because there is an applied force F, so that the block is said to be in motion, therefore their resultant is act along the direction of applied force. Is it right? Therefore, here the condition now I want to tell you, F is greater than Fs. Now, F is greater than Fs is nothing but there it is to be kinematical friction force is introduced. Now, according to that, I want to tell you, according to the fourth case, applied is greater than here static. That means you, there it is to be kinematical friction force is introduced. That is, we can say Fk. Nothing but what? There is a Fk is active. Now, applied greater than this, no? Then their resultant, or we can say F net or F resultant is equal to applied minus, we can write as Fk. Now here Fr is nothing but that block of mass m which is accelerating with an acceleration a. Therefore Fr we can write as ma. Then ma is equal to capital F minus Fk. Is it right? Therefore the acceleration of the block on the rough horizontal surface we can write as like this. And coming to the point, here we can also write as Fk is equal to mu k into mg. Yes, supposed to write here acceleration of the block F minus mu k mg by m. So now you write as separate or you divide with like this mu k mg by m. So mm cancel. Therefore acceleration is equal to F by m minus mu k into g. See, this is the regarding rough horizontal surface when a block of mass accelerating on the rough horizontal surface. This is related to the concept. Clear? Watch this video completely and learn all formulas from this, and I'll tell you the problems on this basis in the next video. Watch my videos regularly and subscribe to my channel, and every day you will get the notifications. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.